intrigued by Gandhiji and his vast history, and the curiosity to learn more brought me here to the Kankapura ashram. Here I learned on 19th March 1930, Gandhiji and his 79 satyagrahis offered morning prayers and began their march towards Rasgam. There were talks at that time in Borsad that Gandhiji will be arrested, but luckily nobody came. As they continued their walk, they reached Rasgam at 8:30 in the morning. After a brief rest, he addressed the afternoon meeting and then carried his march forward towards Kankapura. Gandhiji said that the purpose of their suffering was not to harm anyone else. However, by this he meant to gain sympathy from the world, which would eventually lead to change of heart of the rulers. At that time, the government had adopted a policy of arresting innocent people. He said, however, that when people were suffering, it should be the government's duty to eliminate salt tax and other such taxes so that the people's suffering can be done away. After a long walk, Gandhiji and his satyagrahis reached Kankapura at 8:30 in the evening. Here he was welcomed with a lot of joy and excitement. The women sang bhajans and the men played drums and nagaras to welcome him. A 105-year-old woman blessed Bapu, saying, "Mahatma Ji, come back soon with Swaraj." Kankapura is the last village of the Borsad Taluka and the Kheda district. The boundaries of Kheda and Bharuch district are marked by the river Mahi. Ravi Shankar Maharaj Ji's works are noteworthy in Kankapura. His work touched the lives of many, causing several village heads, voters and Ravanyas to resign. Gandhiji addressed huge gatherings of almost 20 to 25,000 people over here, in which he addressed several issues. The main issues were the evil effects of alcohol, elimination of untouchability and matters of national unity. Amidst all the rumors of Gandhiji's arrest and in this stressed out atmosphere, the villagers were very relieved that Gandhiji, along with his satyagrahis, was able to cross the Borsad Taluka, especially the Kheda district, along with his satyagrahis, which was then known to be the land of the outlaws. It was to celebrate this success that huge crowds gathered here in Kankapura to bid farewell to him and his satyagrahis. Yatri Niwas is very well maintained by the Gujarat Tourism. Every room is very hygienically maintained and every artifact is well looked after. This property is also equipped with a library and has a meditation room. Everyone had to wait till 12 midnight for the high tide to rise to proceed further. There was a famous Dandiya Ras troupe from Saurashtra and Dhaka who was also present here. They performed a garba known as Khelo Gandhiji Na Dandiya Ras while they waited. Everyone watched with a lot of joy and excitement. Gandhiji rested in a small hut belonging to Parmar Phulabhai Prabhat Singh Mulji Bhai at Brahmapol.